Yeah, log into your account and make sure that guys, tomorrow onwards, without fail, everybody should join from laptop. Plus, you should be again, you should log in already your AWS account and Linux server also without fail. Okay, it's not a again it's compulsory, guys. Compulsory, you should join. Yeah, log back in because it's a routine task, guys. Now again, unnecessarily 5-10 minutes waste of time, right? That's the reason. Yeah, sign into console.
Sir, wait, sir, 1 minute.
I'm sorry, Shweta, you are saying something?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm minimizing this GoToMeeting.
Yeah, you can drag it somewhere. Maybe you can drag it to bottom line somewhere, what I can say. You can drag it to anywhere, left side, right side,
Yes, sir.
arrow
It's
down.
not. Yeah,
Yes.
it's
Now click on sign into console. Click on sign into console. Yeah. And provide your mail address and password.
okay, sir.
But make sure that guys, tomorrow onwards, before the class itself, we have to do this. Okay, na? Not in the class. So provide login to your class. So in today's class, I will show you how to create your server. Okay. So everybody should know this, guys, before without. Okay, there is no exception. Yeah. Can you click on services button? Top left hand side, you have services. Yes. Top left hand corner, services button. Or else do one thing, maybe just a minute. I will request to provide the key mouse. Okay. Can you please give me the control?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then, Shweta, thank you very much. You can leave your cursor now. Okay, I will take care. Maybe first class,
Okay.
right? So, yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'm able to control your system now.
Yes.
Don't move anything until I ask you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's great. See, guys, as I told, what is AWS? So AWS is one of the third-party cloud provider, guys. One of the most commonly used third-party cloud provider. Okay, now in real time, most of the time we use AWS only. So AWS means Amazon Web Services. So he is maintaining the data center. Data center is nothing but a building with hardware. Okay, now. So here, see, all these are services. So Shweta, please don't move anything until I ask you. Because if you move the cursor, if you take the control, I will lose my control. Okay, now? Please don't touch anything until I ask you. Yeah. See, guys. So there are so many services AWS providing. So first of all, what is service? Service is nothing but example, guys. I want to like I'm a brand new company. Okay, so assume that I'm working now. Just now, I have some application in my mind. Okay, I want to develop WhatsApp application. So just assume that. So I no need to have my own data center like previous days. Simple. I will create once I hide everybody. DevOps admin, system admin, AWS admin, a developer, application guy. So I have to set up 3 data centers generally. Development data center, testing data center, and production data center. But instead of that, okay, so simple. I can create 3 accounts. One development purpose one account, testing purpose one account, production purpose one account. So, and first analysis will happen. So about your project. Example, chatting I want to develop in my WhatsApp, chatting functionality. Then how many servers you need? Maybe 10, 20, 30, 50, 100. First meetings will happen, right? Gatherings, discussions. Then after design, then after development, testing, production. So in development, how many servers you need? 10, 20, 30. Which server? Linux, Windows. Okay. So you will choose whatever you need. Okay. So for that, I no need to have my own data center. Simple, very simple, guys. Already like some third party providers, cloud providers, they are maintaining the data centers. Simple. I can create an account, I can log into it, and I can create my servers. It is nothing but operating system.
All of you observe this clearly. In
Hello?
a single process mechanism, what it able to do, it tells only one.
Hello, guys. Everybody mute yourself, please.
Sir, I don't know how to mute.
Okay, no problem. I'll mute yourself. Yeah, I muted. So, yeah, Sweta, please don't touch anything. Your mouse, your keypad, don't touch it. Okay? Yeah. See, guys, here I created my account now. One is a example, one development account. Now here see all our services, this many services, around 200 plus services they are providing, guys. What happened? See, around 200, 300 plus services they are providing. Different applications, storage, network. Okay. And here, first of all, I should talk about the data centers. See, guys, these are the data centers. So means locations, guys. US 4 data centers. First 4 are US only. See, then after Africa, Asia Pacific, around 6 to 7 locations. Hong Kong, Mumbai, Osaka, Seoul, Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo. See, this many locations we have the data centers in AWS. So first of all, which project you are working for? India, na? Then maybe US, UK. India means example, let's take IRCTC. IRCTC is in the India project. So I should choose India location, Mumbai. See, guys? So I'm taking Mumbai only. Assume that you are working for Mumbai project. I'm taking Mumbai project. Okay. So see, that's it. Here it's showing Mumbai. That means currently you are in Mumbai data center, guys. Now go to services. So assume that a new project it is. Okay, so maybe WhatsApp application. I want to improve. I want to develop audio calling. First analysis, discussion happen, design happen, maybe roadmap. Now I'm going to start my server, my application. Definitely, first I need an operating system. So EC2 is the service name, guys, which provides server. Maybe you can launch your servers, guys. You can install operating system. See, right now instances it is showing 0. There is no operating systems. One instance is nothing but one operating system. I hope everybody created your own account. I'm not sure how many created, but if you have any problem, please ping me, guys. I already showed you yesterday my number. Okay, please ping me so that I will maybe let you know if any problems with your account. Everybody, you should have your own account, guys. And one more thing here, guys. Basically, there is a old view also. I'm not comfortable with new view. The same page, I can see in old like configuration also. Let me disable it because I'm not comfortable, but it's your wish. If you are comfortable with new view, you can go with that. So I'm not comfortable with that, so I'm just disabling that so that I will get the old view. Recently they changed, guys. Yeah, see the same page I can see in this way also. If I disable that page, I will get this page, old view. See, right now there is no servers operating system because it's a brand new account, guys. Now let me show you how to create a new operating system. Example, audio calling you are to develop. Audio purpose 10 servers required, assume that. So 10 servers you have to launch, guys. Server is nothing but operating system. Okay, so in entire class, our class, we will go with Linux box only, guys, not with Windows. Okay, so we don't use Windows most of the times. Linux only we use. So I am also going with Linux only. Obviously, to install operating system, you need an image, right? So you have to select images. See here, there are so many images like they're providing. Maybe you can see Windows. Let me check that. See, guys, this many images they're providing. So Windows images, see Windows 2019, Windows 2016, so Windows 2000, Windows 2006, 2007, 2008, 2010, all the images are available. Okay, so you should know that which image. As I told, we don't use real-time like Linux operating or Windows operating system. We'll go with Linux only. There are different distributions, guys. How in Windows we have Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 2016, Windows 2009, right? Same concept. In Linux also there are different distributions. So Amazon Linux is, we'll discuss about that Amazon, what are the different distributions, guys. But as of now, just follow my, I'm showing how to launch my server, okay? So follow me. Not in the class, after the class. Anyway, you will get the recording, guys. I will provide the recording. Okay, so after the class, like anyway, so even Durga Soft will provide the recording, guys. If any problem with for you, you can talk to them. They will provide the recordings. Okay, they will call you back also regarding enrollment and all. And see here, as I told, AWS is not free of cost, guys. Completely free of cost. It's not completely free of cost. Only 750 hours are free of cost, guys. Okay, now, and 750 hours are not that much, again, huge hours. So don't think 750 hours are huge hours, like we can consume 750, like it's enough hours, something like that. Don't think that, okay? 750 hours are not enough hours. Why? Because internally for one server, so storage will be there, key pair will be there, VPC network will be there. Internal services are there for a single server. How many server you launch? So then it will cover all those aspects. Okay, I will show that part also. Maybe how you will be again charged. Okay, so as of now, guys, as I told, see here T2.micro. T2.micro only free ATR eligible. It's clearly showing. You will get 1 GB RAM and 1 CPU for that. The server which you are launching now, right? The server which you are installing now, you will get 1 GB RAM and 1 CPU. Okay. So click on review and launch as of now. There are so many options. See, guys, there are so many, like what I can say here above. Configure instance, add storage, add tags, configure security group, review. There are so many options, but right now, okay, so I don't want to show all of them. We'll discuss in AWS class those concepts. Don't worry about that. Okay, I'm not just ignoring them. I will show you in AWS class, but as of now, it's not AWS class. So I don't want to discuss about them. It will take some time. Just to follow me. Okay, review and launch. and you can review all the things, but that is also we taken all the default, only image and instance type we have taken, so remaining all default only I have taken. So now click on launch button. Okay, so now guys, generally to log into your operating system, what do we need? So we need username and password, but for security purpose they're not providing the password, guys. Okay, now so password they're not using for AWS, the servers which you launched in your platform, right? In this AWS platform, they are not providing the password. Username they're providing, but password they're not providing. Okay, now they're providing one key pair, guys. I'm going to create a new key pair, and you can give your own name. I'm giving Amar DevOps. You can give any name, your wish. Okay, na? Key pair name, guys. Its name itself. See, the selected key pair will be added to the set of keys authorized for this is instance. So two keys will be there, guys, not one key. See, a key pair consists of public key that AWS stores and private key file that you store. Together, they allow you to connect to your instance securely. For AWS Linux servers, I'm talking about. Okay, now two keys will be there in this. Whatever the Amar.DevOps key you are generating now, it has two keys, public and private key. Okay, so click on download key pair and click on launch instance. Yeah, launch instance. That's it, guys. Your operating system is ready. See, hardly 2 minutes. Maybe like as I explained, it took some time. But see, again, go back to the same position. So Shweta, so are you controlling your screen? Please don't control, don't move anything and all. Okay, just allow me to, yeah, click on services back. Again, go to EC2. EC2 is the service name, guys, which allows you to launch your Linux box. I will show one more time, guys. Don't worry about that. It's not a big deal, actually. Yeah, click on launching running instance. See, I have one server now. Oh, 3 servers. So maybe like Shweta already created other servers previously. Okay, but see, for me now I got one server. This is one server, one operating system, guys. So previously it seems Shweta created 2 more, but they are in stopped state now. You can see the status. Okay, maybe creation you created in AWS data center, Mumbai data center you created, guys. See, you are in Mumbai data center now, but how to log in? Why do we need login again, guys? Employees should log into your servers. Development, developer, tester, your application guy, they should log into this server to install the application, to configure the things and all. Then how to log in? We don't provide access to the AWS console. There are some tools for that, guys. Okay, so in your laptop, compulsory example, assume that now Shweta is a DevOps admin, maybe developer. She should have Putty application already in her laptop. So Shweta, do you have Putty in your laptop already?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm showing guys how to install it. Go to Putty download. You can call me as Amar. Okay, no need to say sir, because real time we don't call even managers also with names only. We'll call them with names only, not with sir, something like that. Okay, this one you need to download, guys. 64-bit. It seems already has downloaded. Okay, so I'm not going to maybe it's downloading, but I'm not going to install it because already installed. Now I will search it. So guys, I want to log in. Sweta, please don't move the cursor. Okay, actually I'm able to
No,
move.
no, sir, I'm not moving anything.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure then. Maybe technical problem. Now assume that one user he want to log into this Linux box, this operating system. How we will log in? We don't provide to this access to this console, guys. Okay, na. Like he should have the putty application in his laptop. And for the first time, okay, for the first time, you should, as I told guys, the PEM key you generated, it has the two keys, public and private keys, as I told you, right? So first, only for the first time, guys, not every day. Only when you have a new server, when you generate a new key, that PEM key. Basically, it's a like it's a combination of two keys, public and private keys, guys. I need a private key, not both the keys. Okay, only I need a private key, but they are providing both the things. I have to generate a private key. Okay, now. So let me get that. Can you please open Putty Gen in your laptop? I'm unable to do it, Sweta.
Okay, sir.
So guys, when you download Putty, you will get two things, Putty and Putty Gen. I need Putty Gen, not Putty. Not this one. Putty Gen I need. Only for the
Sir,
first time,
Putty
guys.
Gen. Sir, you are saying
Close.
Putty Gen, right?
Yes, I need Putty Gen, not Putty. One more application, Putty Gen. Yeah. Only for the first time, guys, not every day. Okay. Whenever you get a new key, that time only. Now click on load button.
Sir,
Where is your PEM key? Can you go to downloads button? And one more thing, guys, here there is a filter. Bottom line, just a minute. No, just I'm taking the controls. See here, guys. Here it is showing only PPK files. I want to make it all files. Okay, so then what is my key name? Amar. Yeah, see, Amar.DevOps. Select it and say OK. Open. Only for the first time, guys. Whenever you launch a new server with key, that time only, not every day. Tomorrow onwards. Okay, now save. Click on save private key. Say yes. Save with the same name, guys. Your wish in your desktop anywhere. Okay, I'm saving in same location, Amar DevOps. But don't give the extension. Okay, just remove the extension. Okay. Okay. Save the same name, but don't give the extension. Extension will be separate. Yeah, save button. That's it, guys. I got a key also now. As I told, there will be two keys in that original, public and private. And I saved a private key now. I extracted a private key. Okay, I'm ready to log in now, guys. Now I'm ready to log in. So my server, okay, so any developer now can log in with this ID. Where is that server? Okay, so for this server, I want to log in, guys. For this server which is running now, I assume that every server has one public IP address, guys. Okay, na? Here, see bottom line, you can see IP address. Maybe you can just expand it. Okay. Yeah. And see, this is the IP address for your server. Every server has separate IP address, guys. If you select this server, you will get different IP address. So don't select two, only one. Select one. I'm deselecting this. Okay. So this server I want to log in now. Sorry, this server, the last one. Actually, I'm sorry, guys. My mouse is not working properly. This server, which is running. Okay, this server I want to log in. So get the public IP address. So don't worry, guys. I will show one more time. Okay, copy this, and in your laptop, can you please open putty session, Sweta? I'm not sure. Sometimes I'm not able to touch putty application. Puttygen. So guys, now onwards. Okay, daily I will use this putty only. Click on run button. Paste your IP address.
Yes, sir,
Above.
right.
Don't do anything extra. Okay, why? Because everybody is new, right? They will be confused
Okay.
if you select any other option. Okay, just follow me. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we'll select the IP address, guys, and left hand side. Okay, leave the control. I will take care now. Leave the control. See, guys, here SSH button is there. Expand it. Click on authentication. Now browse. The key just now you created it. Where is that? Go to downloads. See, this one you selected, you created. Open. Click on open button. See, guys, generally it won't take much time. Oh, hardly 2 minutes. Say yes. And the default username is EC2-user, guys. That's it. This is your Linux box. No graphical screen, guys. Only command line. This is one of the operating system now, which is there in your AWS cloud. In Mumbai data center, you installed an operating system, and that operating system you are connecting from your laptop by using putty, guys. See, only command line, no graphical screen. So default username is EC2-user. Now I will show freshly one more time, guys, because this is not, maybe initially you may feel little difficult. Okay, I will show you freshly one more time. Okay, so go back to services from scratch. I'm showing, guys. Once you log into your AWS account, click on services and go to EC2 dashboard. Okay, here EC2 is one of the service which allows us to create that server operating system. So like based on your project, example, my audio calling need 10 servers. So you will launch 10 servers. So guys, real time, we don't use one server for, we use only one server for one application. We don't install multiple applications. What applications? I will give list of applications also, guys. Maybe in 1 or 2 days. Okay. Now I want to launch one more server. Just click on launch server. Already one is running. You can install as many as, guys, your wish. Okay, any number you can install. Now I am going. What is this? Just close this. Now I want to install one more operating system. Okay, na? So I can go with free tier only always. Not in real time. Real time will go with whatever the size you need. But here I need 1 GB RAM and 1 CPU. Only this is free of cost, guys. As I told, on monthly 750 hours you will get, right? So this is one of the free service, guys. T2.micro. It's clearly showing. That is only already selected. Okay. Now click on review and launch. And there are so many options involved actually, guys, but I am not showing all of them. I will show them later. Okay, in AWS class. As of now, I selected just a default settings and click on launch button. And here your wish. This is the second server I'm launching. Maybe if it is for same team, example same, you have different teams in your project, application team, database team, developer. So for the same team, you are launching one more server. You can give the same key which they are using already. But let's assume that it's a new team. Okay, not for existing team. Let's create a new key. Maybe this time, or just I'm saying Amar. Click on download button, download key pair. So as I told, key pair means two keys will be there, public and private. Okay, click on launch instance. That's it, guys. Again, second server also ready. So you can open the server from here also. Okay, when you once you launch, click on view all instance. So we'll go to the same page. See, now second one is also coming up. But meanwhile, let's open that. Let's generate a key. Okay, for the only for the first time, guys, not every time. So Sweta, can you please open that Puttigen one more time? Because
Okay.
this is a new open Puttigen
Okay.
again one. I have to generate a PPK key for this second server. Click on run button, not this one. Is it a Puttigen?
Yes, sir.
Click on run.
Puttigen.
Okay, then click on run button. Now click on load button. Okay, so where is your PEM key? Make it all files first of all. Make it all files. Yeah. So where is that PEM key? Search with amar.pem. You can search directly bottom line, not above. Bottom also one file name option is there, right? Directly there
Yes.
is amar.pem. Anyway, it's already showing there. Yeah, click on open.
Sir, which one I have to select?
First one. Amar.pem. Click on open button. Now say okay. Save private key. Only one time task, guys. This is not everyday task. Okay, na? Only when you launch a new server, that time only. If you are using new key, say yes. Then save it with the same name, Amar itself. My PEM key name is Amar, right? So save with the same name. Don't give any extension. It will take care. Amar, just
Sir, what
Amar. Amar. My PEM key name is also Amar only, right? So I will give same name. Always the best practice is give the same name. You can give any other name also, but give the same name. Yes, save it. That's it. I got to, you can't save here. Please choose another location. Maybe you may have some other folder already. Say okay. Select some other folder then. Go to desktop.
Sir, shall I click on OK?
Yes, say okay. Go to desktop. Maybe I think you have already the same file. I think that is the go to desktop. Say okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now again, guys, I'm ready to log in now. Say go back to AWS console. Now your second server you want to log in. Simple. Select the server.
Sir, which
Select
server,
the
sir?
server. Yes, select the server. Second server. Maybe generally, guys, we'll give the names to our server. Maybe you can give first server, second server, something like that as of now. First field is there, right? There you have in the same line, first field is there, right? Then give the server names. Something which application you install, that application name you can write down, guys. Okay, let me take care, Sweta. Just a minute.
Okay.
Don't move the.
Okay.
I will take care. Just a minute. So, guys, generally for identification purpose, we can give the names. So maybe second. Just as of now, for time being, I'm giving a second. But in real time, which application you install, that name you will give, guys. Okay. Generally, you have some idea, right? What application I'm going to install, that name you will give. But as of now, time being, I'm just saying first and second. Okay. Yeah. So second server, I want to log in. So only select the first one, second one. Say you got one more IP address. Now open putty. Already one Linux box is there, guys. One operating system you log in. Open a fresh session. Click on new session. You no need to close the existing one, guys. At the same time, you can log in any number of servers from your laptop. Okay, na? So IP address, and click on SSH button. Now click on authentication button. Now browse. Go back to the PEM key. Where is PEM key? I think desktop. You should remember that, guys. Which PPK key you selected, you created. Amar.ppk, open, say open. The default say yes. And the default username is EC2-user. That's it, guys. Second server also ready. You can install whatever you need here. Maybe the application. The application list I will give you, guys, in real time. What kind of applications? Maybe external output is icsabank.com, whatsapp.com, twitter.com, facebook.com, but internally they will use different applications, guys, technologies. So those lists I will give you, what applications they may use, like Java application, .NET application, C, CPP, Node.js. This kind of application they will use. There are so many applications. Okay, I will give you the list. See, now second server also ready. So I hope you understood, guys, what is server, how to create a server. Any doubts here, guys? Did you understand how to create Linux box here? In your laptop, nothing is required, guys. Only putty application. You no need to install Linux operating system in Windows in your laptop. In cloud only we do this. See, your server's ready. Any doubts till now, guys? Any new guys today, guys, apart from yesterday? Can you please name yourself if anybody newly joined today? Hello, guys.
Hi Amar, this is Arshad Siddiqui. So I joined from today's class.
Okay, Siddiqui. So actually, yesterday's is the first demo, maybe demo class. There I explained about what is DevOps and all. Maybe I hope
Yes,
you
I watched
got.
that video on YouTube.
Oh, you got the video, right?
Yes, I watched it
That's
on YouTube.
that's great. So I hope you created your AWS account then. Have you created?
Yes.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, I have created.
Okay, that's great. Then,
Apart from this, yeah, please go ahead.
tell me, you're saying something?
Apart from this, I have other query. I wanted to ask you, like, I have 6 years of experience in IT. So I've been into various domains, like from testing to RPA development,
That's
and
fine. Do
now I
one
want
thing.
to make a transition to DevOps.
Yes,
So
definitely it is possible. Do one thing. Just now in in GoToMeeting chat, I pasted my number. Can you please, everybody whoever joined newly today, can you please ping me in WhatsApp, guys? Indian WhatsApp number this is. Everybody. So Siddiqui, can you please ping me on that WhatsApp number? So that maybe not today.
yes,
So
sure.
tomorrow I will respond to you. Okay. So maybe I'll let you know whenever I get time. Okay. I'm not sure. I will ping you whenever I get time.
Okay.
Just say hi with your name. Ping me. I will add you into that WhatsApp group. So everybody,
Okay,
guys,
sure.
whoever joined today, please ping me on that number. That is my WhatsApp number, guys. Okay, maybe if you can ping me right away, it's well and good. I will add you into that WhatsApp group. There already I created a WhatsApp group. There I will add you. Can you please ping me, Siddiqui? So apart from Siddiqui, anybody there, guys? Anybody joined newly today?
Yes, I am pinging you.
Yeah, ping me. Others also, guys, if anybody also newly joined, please ping me, guys. Yeah, I got Siddiqui. Okay, Siddiqui, just a minute. Yeah, just I pinged you WhatsApp group invitation. Can you please join there?
Yeah.
Anybody else, guys,
Yeah.
newly
Sure.
joined today? Yes, definitely. Again, guys, I need your cooperation also, because everything don't expect from the trainer. Okay, maybe not here. You may join here or you may not join here. That is out of matter. Even if trainer say something, I will show 100% what we do in real time. Don't believe that. It's not possible within 3 months. There are so many things to learn. Okay, but I do one thing from my end to get more knowledge. What I am doing apart from my class, I am providing the tasks also, guys. Day-to-day tasks, maybe for every tool. Example, let's take Ansible. Ansible is the one of the DevOps tool. I will provide the task on top of it, real time, what we do in real time. So it is your responsibility. Once you get a minimum knowledge in our class, you have to go through our again that task, guys. Tasks are very important, not class. Class is in via class you will get a minimum knowledge, and to extend that you have to work on the task so that you will get more knowledge. This is our second class. Actually, our actual class has not started. Only we are still in prerequisite. This is the second class. Yesterday demo happened. Okay, so today is maybe again prerequisite. We haven't started our class yet actually. So we are going to start with the Linux. Okay, so Linux is an operating system, guys. We are going to start with the Linux now. Okay, so that's what I launched my server now. Okay, so I launched my server. This is my Linux box, guys. See, this is my Linux box, which you installed in AWS data center and you logged in from your laptop. No graphical screen, guys, only command line. Here only we do the things. Okay, na? So why Linux? Maybe, do you know, anybody has an idea, guys? Why we are not going with Windows? Why we are going with Linux? So simple, guys. In real time, why we are going with Linux most of the times, maybe especially for DevOps means, Linux is the free of cost, guys. It's not a paid version. It's open source. The source code is free of cost. Windows is not free of cost, guys. Maybe in cloud it is free. But example, let's take your own on-premises. There we don't use Windows is not free. Leave it about real time. Even in personal life also, Windows is a free of not free of cost. So all you are using is unofficial. Most of the times, most of the users using unofficial Windows, personal life. But real time, compulsory we should buy it. Very costly. That is the reason Windows most of the time they don't use. Linux only. Okay, so Linux is free of cost and very secure when compared to Windows. Less attacks, less virus attacks. In Windows, guys, some third party website I open, immediately I'll get the attacks, virus attacks. But here Linux, very rare cases when compared to. I'm not saying no virus. Virus will be there, but very less when finger counts when compared to Windows. Okay, that's the reason we are going with Linux. And especially for automation. As I told in yesterday's class, DevOps is more into automation, guys. Okay, now, so that's the reason. That is one more reason. DevOps is a kind of automation. What you are doing in manually, we will make it automate. So most, again, in Windows also we have command line, but Linux command line is more powerful, guys. That is the reason we are using Linux. Okay, And one more thing, can you please open your notepad, Shweta?
Sir, actually, I am not using that.
Your wish, whatever you are comfortable. I need
Okay.
similar to that.
Okay.
Notepad or WordPad, whatever it may be. I need just some notes kind of stuff. One note, your wish, anything is fine. So guys, here in Windows, we do have different distributions. Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows XP. In the same way, in Linux also, we do have different distributions, guys. So write down different distributions available in Linux. So Amazon Linux, write down Amazon Linux, Amazon Linux, CentOS. Next, make it the second line. CentOS is second line. These are operating system names, guys, distribution name. In Windows, we do have Windows XP 2000, 2010, 2019, right? Same concept. Ubuntu, Red Hat, SUSE, Fedora, IBM AIX, HP UX. So guys,
HP?
like HP UX, Sun Solaris, this many distributions, not this many, even we have so many. It's Sun Solaris. This many distributions are available in Linux. All are different companies, developed by different companies, not by Windows, not by a single company, guys. Example, in Windows, all are Microsoft products. Windows XP, Windows 2010, Windows 2007, 8, 19, all are Windows products only, Microsoft product only. But here in all Linux are different distributions owned by different companies, guys. And majorly in real time we use first four only because of easiness. Very easy to manage. Maybe guys, initially you may feel little difficult, but later once you are familiar with Linux, very easy, guys. Can you please highlight the first four distributions?
Yes, sir.
These are most commonly used in real time, guys. So I'm going to show you first four only in our class, entire class. But most of the time Amazon Linux only will use. Very easy to manage. Okay, but remaining also we can use. I will show based on the tool, different tools and different purpose. Okay, yeah, first four are these two. These four we commonly use in real time also. Now go back to your Windows Linux box, the putty session. We'll see the basic commands today. Okay, yeah. For example, guys, you logged in now. Okay, so there are some basic commands you should know that. Can you run who am I command? Increase the font as well. Right click on the white bar.
Sir?
Right, can you please write? Okay, no problem. Let me take control.
Okay.
Just a minute. So click on white bar, click on change settings. So guys, every day before the class, you should be ready with this setup, guys. Okay, na? Your server, Linux server and the putty session, because we can't do in class. It's time waste process, guys. Okay, whoever, like every day one person will share the screen. So my class, my way of teaching is completely different, guys. It's not like I don't share the screen. You have to share the screen. Why I'm following this method mean? Definitely you will feel better. You will be active in the class. Whoever sharing. That's the reason I'm asking this. Okay. Who am I? First basic command, guys. Who am I will show you what is your username. So I logged in as EC2FNU. This is the default user which comes with your, I'm sorry, which comes with your AWS. I mean, this Amazon Linux, guys. If you remember, we have used Amazon Linux image to build our operating system. So this operating system is Amazon Linux, guys. See, it, even here also it is showing. It's Amazon Linux. Okay. For Amazon Linux, who am I will show you. But basic commands are same, guys, everywhere. It doesn't matter. Red Hat, CentOS, I'm sorry, guys. Fedora, SUSE, HPX, IBM UX, everywhere basics are same. Nothing difference. Whatever you learn here, you can implement in other distributions also. Okay, na? So who am I will show you who is your username. See, my username is EC2 user. Now PWD. Generally, guys, in Windows, if you open any folder, you can see that where are you. Example, now I opened a folder. Okay. See, I can see that I'm where I'm in currently. I'm in this PC folder. It's clearly showing this PC I'm in. Okay, now example, if I go to desktop, again I can see what is there in desktop directly. I no need to again do any special command for that. See the contents of the desktop, even where I'm in, which folder I'm in, I can see that because visually it's I'm feeling it. It's a graphical screen, but in command line, okay, now in command line you have to do PWD, guys. PWD will show you present working directory. There is no C drive, D drive concept, guys. So in tomorrow class, I will explain what are the different directories available in Linux. Generally in Windows, we do have C drive, D drive, E drive, right? But in Linux, we don't have C drive, D drive concept, guys. There are different types of folders available. Okay. In tomorrow class, I will explain what are those different folders. But as of now, see the basic commands. The ls will show you what are there in that current folder. Nothing is there as of now in that current folder. Okay. And one more thing. In Linux, guys, there are two types of users available. Okay. In any Linux, there are two types of users available. The first type is root. Types of users. There are two types of users available, guys. Root and normal user. Okay, basically root is the super username itself root, guys. Okay, now username this is. There is a user called root in your system in any Linux box, guys. Not only in Amazon Linux. This is called as admin user. Admin or super user, guys. We used to call it as root as admin or super user. Only one user will be there, guys. Example CEO. CEO of the company. CEO only one will be there, right? Example for your Linux box also one CEO will be there. That is root user. And who is normal user? Except root user. Remaining all are normal users only, guys. In your system, you may have by default EC2 user is the default user, guys. Apart from root. But apart from that, maybe once you create your server, you can create a Amar user based on your project. Definitely, how many users, how many team members you have, that many users you should create, guys. Okay, now Amar, Pradeep, Dinesh. Okay, so Daniel, everybody we should create except normal user. All are except root user. Except root user. Except root user. All are normal user only. what is the difference? Okay, what is the difference between normal user and super user? So very simple, guys. Okay, now what is the difference between? So example, generally, what is the difference between CEO and normal employee, guys? CEO is the whole and soul, maybe owner. You can do anything in the system, maybe company, right? Same concept. Root also. Root is the whole and soul owner of your system. You can do anything. You can install new applications. You can start the application. You can stop the application. You can create something. You can change the system behavior, settings, application settings. You can create new users. Only root user can do that, guys, not normal user. Example, Amar, Pradeep, EC2 user, all are normal users only. But generally, guys, example, let's take one company. CEO won't be there every time. Yes or no? CEO is a whole and soul maybe owner, but you won't be there every time. Admin will be there. Admin will manage the properties, maybe authorization, all those things, right? Only example in this case, DevOps admin. So assume that DevOps admin will be there. There are different teams available in your project. DevOps team, developer, application team, database team, like that. Develop different teams available. Definitely admin should have the root powers. Means whatever root can do, that admin also should do the same thing. So there are two ways to get that admin powers. One is either root credentials, root password, root user password I should have. But generally that is not a best practice. We don't provide the root credentials. Okay, now root credentials we don't provide it to normal user. The second way is sudo. Sudo is like a special access for normal user. So in user management, I will clearly shows you guys what is normal user, what is root user, how to log in. But see, as of now, EC2 user already has sudo access. It has a special access, guys. See, you can switch to root user. Sudo is a special access. Okay, so which can be provided to normal user. Already this normal user, see, by using this sudo, he can switch to root user. I'm a root user now. You know, if you run who am I command, I'm a root user now. Everybody cannot run this command, guys. Only authorized persons. How to provide this access also I will show you in user management. Okay, but as of now, remember that one normal, generally Amar will log in with Amar user only. Maybe as of now I don't have, but once you set up, you will create Amar user, right? Amar user will log into this system with Amar user only. If he is admin, he will get the sudo access. Maybe like he should get the sudo access. I will show you how to get sudo access. Then he will run sudo -i so that he can switch to root user. Now I'm a root user, guys. CEO won't be there every time in your office. Only admins only will manage, right? Same. Now EC2 user is the admin. Root is the CEO. He can act as a CEO generally because CEO can't manage every time. Okay, admin will manage the things always. Same. DevOps admin. Example, Amar is the DevOps admin. Amar will have the sudo access. Will get it. How to get, I will show you later. Okay, maybe in later class. But as of now, I hope you understood what is normal user and what is the difference between normal user and super user, the admin user. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts in today's class? Did you understand what is super user, what is normal user? Any doubts here? Everybody? If you have any questions, you can ask me now, guys. Okay, maybe tomorrow class, I will show you the directory structure. What are the different directories available? So tomorrow also same time, guys. So Saturday, Sunday also we have, generally we don't have Saturday, Sunday, only this week. So because next week we can start DevOps. As I told guys, DevOps is not at this time, morning 7:15 a.m. and evening 7 p.m. Only first 1 week 9:30 p.m. guys. So after that, we will start our regular DevOps classes in morning 7:15 a.m. or evening 7 p.m. You can join any batch. But as of now, I have only 7 p.m. It will take maybe for morning batch, it will take minimum 2-3 weeks. After that only. But as of now, 7 p.m. you can join from next week once the line is completed. Okay, na? Just for your information, whoever newly joined today, for them I'm saying. Linux is only for 1 week this time 9:30 p.m. After that it will be 7 p.m. only evening. That is the regular DevOps batch. Okay, you can join there. But once morning join started, there also you can join. Your wish completely. So I hope you understood today's class. Okay, and if you don't have any doubts, we'll meet again tomorrow, same time, same link. Okay, now guys, so tomorrow I will show some more basic. Linux is very, very important, guys. So please make sure that like more concentrate on Linux. Again, your cooperation is very important here, guys, because everything like you cannot expect from the trainer. Okay, so even someone said like I will show everything 100% also don't be. It's not possible thing, guys. I have 5 years experience. I can't show 5 years experience to you within 3 months. There are so many things to learn. Your cooperation is very important here. Okay, na? Please make sure that do R&D more. Whenever we're discussing something, you should again on that topic we should do Google. We should do R&D. R&D means research and development. We'll find out more things. That way only you'll get more things, guys. Don't simply depends on, it doesn't matter whether you continue with me or continue or don't continue. If you join anywhere also, don't just blindly follow the trainer. Okay, so trainer will show only minimum things, only what you need. But again, you have to do some R&D also. For that purpose only, guys, I'm going to give tasks for every two. Tasks are very important, guys. Real-time task. What we do in real time. So generally, you have to Google it. You have to get the answer. That way, you can improve your skill set. Okay. So I hope if you don't have anything now, we can wind up the call as of now. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, this is Vikas.
Yes.
I think shall we have the drive access? I think regarding the material. So
Yes. I will
when we
provide.
expect that.
Once you enroll. If you already enrolled, you can.
Yeah, I have already enrolled.
Yes, you can ping me then. I will provide
Yeah.
you the Google Drive details. Guys, I have a Google Drive already. Okay. So there are so many documents, not only the class related, the day-to-day, what you do in DevOps, even for job related also, guys. Example, just trust me. I already created around 500 questions. Okay, maybe related to interview for each topic. Maybe all the topics I created around 500 questions. 70% you will get the question from there only, guys. So trust me. If you put 4 to 5 years experience in DevOps, you will get the questions from there only. Even answers also I already prepared. I mean, it's, maybe not completed. Okay, so still it's in progress. Maybe it will take 1 or 2 months to complete because there are so many things. Okay, but most of the things I already prepared. Just for your information, guys. That Google Drive I will give it to you. Okay, maybe once you enroll. Everybody who are enrolled already, you can ping me. But I will once you enroll, I will provide the access to you that. Okay. Yeah. So maybe tomorrow class I will show my Google Drive, guys. What is there in my Google Drive and all. and make sure that you contact Google Durga sir for your enrollment. Okay, na guys? Because once your enrollment means paying fee. If you pay fee, I will give you the access. They will contact.
Here, here
Ah.
one thing I have to clarify. I need clarification. Yeah, I have, as I said, I purchased the videos, pre-recorded videos, but they say that they don't provide any materials. I think they told me.
Maybe I'm not sure about videos. Okay, if you enroll for my class, then I will provide it.
Yeah, it is especially these Evo class videos only.
That's what videos are separate, classes are separate. Enrolling for class is separate. Enrolling for videos are separate. Maybe videos it's not that much cost, right? I'm not sure.
Yeah, almost equal phase, but due to the lack of time, I couldn't attend the live classes. But if they
Maybe
can provide,
yes,
yeah,
you can
I
ping.
don't know.
You
Yeah, I
just
have.
ping to them
Yeah, I
and
purchased so many courses in Durga software website, but they provide some entire documentation. But especially these courses, they say that they are they're refusing to provide. I don't know how.
maybe you can ping me. Okay, not now. Maybe tomorrow. You can ping me now, but I will talk to them and I will talk to you regarding this tomorrow class. Okay, tomorrow.
Definitely. I must say one thing. So, as of the admin departments, I was totally disappointed with their attitude. The way they respond. I especially when I asked the some of the videos were missed. I asked this constantly, but they provide me after 1 week. I don't know why it's happening.
Right? You can do one thing. You can talk to me. Okay, you no need to ask them. If you have any queries and you can ping me. Maybe call. I may not respond immediately because I have so many other calls, right? But you can
Yeah,
ping me, right? And whenever I
yeah,
get time, I will respond to you. Okay.
yeah. Definitely.
Whatever the doubts you have, you can maybe not class related. If you have any like document related, you can ping me, and whenever I have time, I will ping you. And if you want to ask anything to them also, you can ping me, so that I'll talk to them instead of you. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay then. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. We'll meet again tomorrow, same time. But guys, please practice more. Linux is not easy, guys. Very difficult initially. But once you are familiar with Linux, it will be very easy. Because I was a Linux admin, right? Trust me, DevOps is very, very easy if you can understand Linux. Okay, now, so apart from my class, there are so many things to learn. Like, please concentrate on Linux. Definitely, you can make it DevOps. Okay? Yeah. Okay then guys, we'll meet again tomorrow, same time. Yeah, so she was asking how many sessions happened before. Just yesterday. This is like again second demo. It's not even first class. Okay, now demo just Linux is like we are going to start tomorrow. Okay, maybe today 10 minutes I told you about Linux. But tomorrow is a actual first class, Linux first class. Just yesterday and today is a basic, just what is DevOps, the prerequisite and all. Okay, so tomorrow onwards the actual class. Yeah. Okay then, guys. So thank you very much. We'll meet again tomorrow, same time, same link, guys. You no need to wait for the link. Same link, same time, 9:30 p.m. IST. We'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.